Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your fuboTV subscription and start watching live sports and entertainment, follow these step-by-step instructions for easy setup. Step 1. Visit the fuboTV website at fubo.tv or download the fuboTV app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button displayed on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your fuboTV account. Step 4. Select your preferred subscription plan. fuboTV offers different packages with various channel lineups and features. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, to set up your subscription billing. Step 6. Review your selected plan and billing details before confirming the subscription. Step 7. Complete the sign-up process by clicking the Continue or Start Streaming button. Step 8. Log in with your new credentials and start watching live sports, news, and entertainment channels immediately on any supported device, including smart TVs, phones, tablets, and streaming devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.